I've got an Hermes unboxing for you, but before we dive in, we've got to talk about the Hermes gossip that is happening right now. I am so curious to know your thoughts on what is happening with the two Californians suing Hermes for their Birkin selling practices. Basically their Birkins, their Kellys, all their higher end bags, and the fact that a lot of consumers, they don't allow to have access to them. They require you, and it's a known thing that Hermes does require you to buy a lot of items in other categories to reach the Birkin and Kelly status. What I think is kind of funny, a little side eye to Hermes, because apparently they came out with a statement that said that they don't in fact do that, which we all know is not the case, but I am really curious to know how this is going to affect Hermes sales moving forward, assuming that this lawsuit moves forward, and really what happens. What do you guys think is going to happen? I have no idea. I didn't even realize you could sue a company for something like this. I personally feel like it's their brand, it's their company. They can go about it however they want. That's my opinion. Do I think it's necessarily fair the way they do it? No, but at the end of the day, there are worse things in the world, and I am certainly not going to make a stink about the fact that Hermes will or will not sell me a Birkin. Have I been offered a Birkin before? Yes, I've been offered two. I've shared that. It was with an SA that I don't actually talk to anymore, so I haven't been offered anything since. I actually did recently acquire a new sales associate, and I was hoping that that would lead to a better relationship with Hermes, and I will say the relationship has kind of fallen flat. I'm not sure what it takes to get an Hermes, like a good Hermes sales associate these days, but I don't have one either. So just to kind of give you an idea of my Hermes shopping experience, I have shopped all three categories. I've shopped directly from the store. This came directly from the store. I've shopped pre-loved, and I've also had items sourced from resellers that sell or go and source things from, Europe and London, wherever it is, in different areas that I will say I want this bag, and they will source it and go find it and buy it, and then they sell it to me brand new. So I have bought all three categories. I will probably continue to do that. But yeah, I guess it would be nice to have a constant Hermes associate that maybe I could develop a nice relationship with, but I'm just not having any luck in that department, I will be honest. But I did end up buying something from the Hermes store from my current sales associate. I think he might have been having a bad day. It wasn't a super great shopping experience, I will be honest. So we're just gonna leave it at that. But I did get something that I've been wanting for a while. So let's go ahead and pull her out and show you what I got. I will say, I just love their packaging. It is so beautiful. Here is the box with my receipt and everything. If you know from the box, you probably already know. Yes, it's a pair of shoes. I love Hermes shoes. I really, really do. And I do not have this particular style at all in my Hermes collection. I don't have this color in shoes either. I do have this color in another item though. So that's a little bit of a teaser, but I'm really excited to have these. Of course, if you don't know, Hermes shoes do come in individual dust bags. Let me pull these babies out. Ooh, they're so pretty. I do actually kind of feel like this color is a little bit more fall winter. Not that I can't wear them year round. I mean, it's definitely a spring summer shoe, but I feel like it is a fall winter color. Let me know your thoughts. This is the Oasis shoe, which is basically the Oran with a little bitty kitten kind of block heel in the color Etaupe. I do not have anything other than my Birkin in this color. So I wanted to grab this in a shoe just so that I could have a kind of like a matchy-matchy situation with the Birkin when I wore it. And I will say that this is definitely a slightly different leather. One thing I will say, which I did not know this, and I'm probably gonna get this wrong because I feel like I don't remember now, but the handbag leather is dyed in one place and the shoe leather is dyed in another place. That's why handbag and shoe leathers, even though they're the same color, aren't exactly a perfect match. So just a little Hermes tip or whatever, just so you know, because I noticed that the golds are never the same, like belts or shoes and handbags, they're never the same. And I did ask my sales associate this time about that, and he said it's because shoes are dyed, leather for shoes are dyed in one place. I can't remember where. And the handbag leathers are dyed in another place. So just a little tidbit of information. I did get these true to size. I personally wear the Oran sandals in true to size 36.5. I do know a lot of people do go up half. I find that 6.5, like my true to size is perfect because eventually this stretches out and my foot goes forward. And if I do that, I'm gonna go over the edge. So 6.5 or the 36.5, my true to size is literally perfect. I love these. I think this color is so beautiful. What do you guys think? So there you have it. Just a quick little Hermes unboxing. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos, so stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.